pulsing lights. The cold stands watch where the lid falls away, tracing the scars of a long-faded freight, counting the cost of the ground she won, under the gaze of a pale southern sun. The map of her heart is a rough-hewn track, pushing ahead and never looking back. She built a fortress out of broken glass, watching the ghosts of the old hatred's past. But for every strike and every cold demand, she planted a seed in the unyielding sand. Now the flowers of mercy begin to bloom in the quiet corners of the seaside room. Oh, the wind is a traveler with stories to tell, and the stars are the jewels in a deep dark world. The weather is a master that no one can hire, sweeping the embers of a dying fire. The cliff is a pulpit for the ocean's song, where the weak find the will to finally be strong. Everything changes in the blink of an eye, under the weight of a vast island sky. Oh, the wind is a traveler with stories to tell, and the stars are the jewels in a deep dark world. The weather is a master that no one can hire, sweeping the embers of a dying fire. The cliff is a pulpit for the ocean's song, where the weak find the will to finally be strong. Everything changes in the blink of an eye, under the weight of the vast island sky. Hey! Then there is Rose with the paws on the floor, spinning in circles by the heavy oak door. She doesn't know of the wars or the pain or the bitterness washed by the Antarctic rain. So her every sanctuary is a treasure to find, a brand new spirit of a different kind. Just a scent on the sleeve or a hand on the fur, it's all that the world ever offers to her. One echo is the truth of the battle she fought, the lessons of peace that was so dearly bought. Rose finds a grace in a guest at the gate, a simple devotion that knows nothing of hate. One has the wisdom of a warrior soul, the other has a joy that makes the day whole. Living together where the gulls take flight, keeping a watch through the Tasmanian night. The storm clouds gather and the tide starts to turn, while the wood in the heart begins to burn. The cliff holds the history of women and dogs, lost in the swirl of the morning fogs. Love is the anchor and love is the key, in a lonely house by the turning sea, where the struggle for kindness is never quite done, beneath the gold of the departing sun. Oh, the weight is a traveler with stories to tell, and the stars are the jewels of the deep dark well. But where is the master that no one can hire, sweeping the embers of a dying fire? The cliff is a pulpit for the ocean's song, where the meek find a will to finally be strong. Everything changes in the blink of an eye, under the weight of the vast island sky.